Hey there, friends. Welcome, welcome. It's Miss C with the Behavior Bubble. How are you? I hope you're doing well. The Behavior Bubble is where Be Creative, Be Change, Be Behavior is our community. Today we are reading a story off of our Behavior series. It's titled The Selfish Crocodile, written by Boston Charles and Michael Terry. Let's get started, friends. In a river deep in the forest, there lived a large crocodile. He was a very selfish crocodile. He didn't want any other creature to drink or bathe in the river. Oh no, that's not fair. He thought it was his river. Every day he shouted to the creatures of the forest, "Stay away from the river! It's my river! And if you come into my river, I'll eat you up." Yikes! So there were no fish, no tadpoles, no frogs, no crabs, no crayfish in the river. They were all afraid of the selfish crocodile. The forest creatures kept away from the river too. Whenever they were thirsty, they had to go for miles out of their way to drink in other rivers and streams. Hey friends, looking at our picture, we see a lot of animals. What animals do you see? I see an elephant and a giraffe. Oh, that's right, there is a snake. Forgot about that one. Yes, and the monkey. That's right too. Good job. Every day, the crocodile lay in the sun on his great big back, picking his big sharp teeth with a stick. Early one morning, the forest animals were awakened by a loud groaning sound. Something was in terrible pain. The creatures thought it must be an animal caught by the crocodile. But as the bright sun came out, they saw that it was the crocodile himself who was in pain. He was lying on his big back, holding his swollen jaw and crying real tears. The creatures drew closer, but no, not too close. Some of them felt sorry for the crocodile. "What's the matter with him?" asked a deer. "I don't know," said the squirrel. "Maybe he's going to die," chirped the blackbird. "If that happens, it'll be safe to go in the river again," grunted a wild pig. The animals thought about it. They hung from branches, they peeked through the grass, they buzzed in the air. They shook their heads as they watched the great big crocodile. But no one tried to help. We always try to help our friends, right? Right. Suddenly, a little mouse appeared, sniffling in the air. He ran along the crocodile's tail and then onto his stomach. The other creatures stared. Wow. Ah. "Look at the mouse," chattered a monkey. He's either very brave or very crazy, growled the lion. He's going to be eaten for sure, said the iguana. The mouse crept along the crocodile's big neck and into his open mouth. There was a hush in the forest. The mouse took of something and pulled and pulled and pulled. Finally, he pulled it out, put it on his shoulder, and walked out of the crocodile's mouth. The astonished creatures began to cheer. The crocodile sat up and said, "The pain is all gone." Then he saw the mouse walking down his stomach, carrying an enormous crocodile tooth on his shoulder. Look at the mouse. He's carrying. What is he carrying? A tooth. Yup, correct. Your bad tooth was giving you a toothache, said the mouse, turning around to face the now smiling crocodile. Do you want it back? Oh, no, no, no. Get rid of it. And when you're finished, come back. I have a present for you. The mouse buried the bad tooth under a tree, and when he returned, the crocodile had a nice juicy nut waiting for him. As the crocodile watched the mouse eat his nut, he said, "You must be very smart if you can cure a tooth, and very kind too. I'm so grateful. But what should I do if my toothache comes back?" "Don't worry, I'll help you take care of your teeth," answered the mouse, nibbling. Soon the crocodile and the mouse were best friends. Aww. Not long after, the crocodile sent all the animals an invitation. "Please come to drink and bathe in the river. I won't hurt you. The river belongs to all of us," he said. The creatures weren't afraid to drink and bathe in the river anymore. Although the crocodile was sometimes a little grumpy, they grew to love him, and soon the river was once again full of fish and tadpoles and frogs and crabs and crayfish. The end. What a wonderful story. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe to keep up with all of our behavior book series. Until next time, peace.